Hello students, in this video we discuss about functions. Function is a very fundamental concept in mathematics. It has a large use in the case of calculus. So it is the basic concept in mathematics. So to start calculus we should know about the concept. First thing, what is functions? Suppose A is any non-empty sets and B is another non-empty sets, and F is a relation from A to B. F is a relation from A to B. Then this F is said to be a function if every element of A is associated with unique element in B. Suppose here A is the element and here 1 is another element. If A is associated with 1, similarly B is another element, it is associated with 2. C is another element, it's associated with 3. Then we say F is a function if every element of A is associated with unique element in B, or in the other word we can say F is said to be a function from A to B if every element of A has unique image in B. So definitions: let A and B are two non-empty sets. F from A to B is said to be a function if every element of A is associated with unique element in B. Or more briefly we can say F from A to B is said to be a function if the following four conditions are satisfied. If the following four conditions are satisfied. First thing, one is F is a subset of A cross B, and second is domain of F is equal to A, and third is range F is a subset or equal to B, and fourth one is if a B and SC belongs to F, this implies B equal to C. Okay, why these four conditions are satisfied? First, every function is a relation. So definition of relation is F is a subset of A cross B. So this, since F is a relation, so we can write down F is a subset of A cross B, and domain of F equal to A, every element should have a unique images, means every element of A will be associated with some element in B. So since every element is associated, that means the first set is called the domain. So domain will be equal to A. Range means set of all images of F. So, and it is lies in the second set. So we can say range F is the subset of B. And fourth conditions is the definition of the functions. Now see, here A is associated with B, that means image of A is B. A is associated with C, that means image of A is C. Now see, A has image B and A has also image C. Then this will be a function if B equal to C. If B is not equal to C, then this will be not a function, because the definition say every element has a unique images. So more briefly we can discuss what is the definition of the functions. Now comes to the point, the notation of the functions. Notations. Suppose a b belongs to f. F is a functions and a b is an element of the functions. That is, this means what? That means image of a under the function f equal to b. So this is the notation of the functions, or we can say b is the image of f. B is the image of a under the function f. Under the function f. Also we can say a is the pre-image of b. A is the pre-image. The pre-image of b. Okay, this is the notation for the functions. Then comes to the point, domain of the functions. Domain of the functions. Domain of the function is a set. Let f is a functions. F is a functions. And domain of f is written as dom f. This is a set of all real numbers such that f is defined, such that fx is defined. Means domain is a set of all those real numbers for which fx is defined. We say this is the domain of the functions. For example, I take a functions fx equal to 1 by x square minus 1. Now see, this expression is a reciprocal functions. Now see, this will be defined. This f is defined. F is defined if x square minus 1 is not equal to 0. This implies x square is not equal to 1. This implies x is not equal to plus minus 1. Means this function will be defined all real numbers except for 1 and minus 1. So we can say the domain of the function f equal to all real number except plus minus 1. We can write in this way: all real number minus plus 1 and minus 1. Similarly, consider the another functions fx equal to 3x square minus 5x plus 2 by x minus 2. Now see, this will be defined. F is defined for x minus 2 is not equal to 0. This implies x is not equal to 2 because it is a rational functions. This rational function will be defined if x minus 2 is not equal to 0, because if the denominator becomes 0, then this is a invalid things. So this will be defined if the denominator is not equal to 0. So we can say the domain of this function equal to r minus 2. So in this video we have already discussed what is functions and what is the definition of the functions and what is the domain of the functions. In the next video we discuss what is the range of the functions and more concept in the coming videos. Thank you.